Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to mention someone in Instagram story without showing. So first of all, open Instagram apps. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Tap onto plus icon for the post. Select the image for story. Now I am posting this story. Tap onto done. It will be loading. Just click on to open. Tap onto three dot. Tap on add mention option. And select to mentionable ID. Tap on to add. Okay, now done. So that's how we can easily mention someone in Instagram story without showing. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial Liber channel for more video.